Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. Today I am going to share very important information with you all learners. All of you are learning German. You have been learning for last 1 year, maybe 6 months or 2 years, or some of you have already learned 3 years back, 5 years back, and you stopped learning and now you have again started learning. So you may be facing this problem of speaking skill. You are not able to express yourself, you are not able to speak well, but you are able to understand. You know how to write, how to read the text. But when it comes to speaking skills, when it comes to speak or to express yourself, to take your stand on a personal topic, that you fail. You are not able to do that. So let me tell you one thing, that it is not difficult actually if you practice every day. But again the question is, how can you practice alone? You have no partner, you have nobody to talk with. How can you do that? For that purpose, I have started one-to-one Zoom session. On every weekend, I will pick up your name from the Telegram link. The link of the Telegram channel you will find below in the description. So you can join our group, and if your level is B1 or above, you can have a one-to-one live session, just oral or verbal communication with me. It's not mandatory that how much you speak. I am just here to encourage you, to motivate you through this one-to-one session, and you will get only one chance because we have so many students. So I want everyone to get at least one chance on every weekend to interact with me in this live session, and this session will be recorded. I will record this session and upload on the channel so that other students can see you, watch your videos, and they get some motivation, and also they can join me next time. So basically this is for your motivation, this is for your encouragement, that I have decided on every weekend I will pick up one student. Okay, you have to send your particulars on the Telegram channel, and on coming weekend then I will talk to you. I will message you personally if I find okay you are suitable, or just randomly I'll pick up, and then we can have one-to-one conversation of 15-20 minutes, just German and general conversation, where you will be speaking about yourself in German. Everything will be in German. Just a small session, introductory section, just to motivate you, encourage you. Many of you have been watching me for 2 years, 3 years, and so this is the chance so that you can speak with me, talk to me, and this is the way I can help you out. Somehow I can motivate you through this platform. Of course, you have been watching me, you are watching my live classes, recorded classes, but this one step will definitely help you out. Maybe I can bring some change, some positivity inside you through this initiative. So hope to see you tomorrow, okay, December 11th, and we'll fix up an appointment, and then we have a one-to-one online session, conversation, and that will motivate others. So I hope you are ready for this. So just quickly send me your details, just your name and your level. Only 2 things I required: your name, your level. That's it. And then we'll see on the Zoom session. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you.